Alrighty, so this is my CLI project. It's actually on EnterActionApparel.com, so it's a clothing e-commerce store that's built with Shopify. And I've already pretty much done the majority of the project. So the last thing I want to do now is add a separate option for you to choose between all products or just the products that are on sale. So I'm just going to talk through what I'm thinking and how I'm going to program that portion of the project. All right. And so I've already put in, the call and everything from the CLI portion. And under the start, it already has enter the product you would like to see for all or sale. So when it takes in that input from GetStrip, it puts that input into the print products. So that's down here. So currently I just have it if it's input or, if it's sale or all, it does the same thing regardless. But at this point now I'm going to actually program it to separate what it outputs from sale versus all. Okay. So I'm pretty much going to have this same thing right here. I'll go ahead and take this all out. I'll say else if input is all, and for the most part it's going to look the same. It's just going to be a little bit different here. So I guess the biggest difference, now that I'm thinking about it, is how to determine what's on sale and what's not. And so if we look at the actual products, so if we look at the U-Spin t-shirt, here's where we have the original price and sale price. So what I'm thinking to do, because when it's not on sale, it actually prints these out as the same. So the sale, when it actually displays, it'll show the sale price and the regular price as the same number. So what I'm thinking is if this sale price and the regular price are different, add it to the list for the sale, or add it to the sale list for the products. So if input is sale, has each with index, and what I'm going to do is if the product is an instance, so the product has a sale price and a just regular price. So if I say those prices are not equal, the product.price is not equal to product.sales price, to go ahead and put the product in the name. And that's only for when the input is sale. And what it should do is only put in the products that are on sale. And doing it this way, if it's still indexing, it should, it won't list it in order for the sale. It'll just list the actual number it is. So that way you don't have to make a change. So it's literally listing what product number it is on that home page versus changing it and doing the index like this is item number 1, 2, and 3 that are on sale. So that should make it easier. It should make it so I don't have to make a change up here when it asks for the individual product. So it makes sure whatever number you put, it converts that to an integer and prints that actual product. And so, yeah, like here's where it has the name, regular price, and sales price in your description. So it'll show that difference. It should show that difference. Okay. Now I'm trying to think to make sure that sounds right. I think what I need is an else here also, that if they don't put sale or all, um, to put not valid input and go back to the start again. And just checking that. So here's if and do end. We have else, if, and do, and an else, and then this is the end for all the if and else statements. Okay. And start is this right here where it jumps back to, what product would you like to see? So it'll just force it to come back here and ask again, what products would you like to see? Okay. So let's go ahead and test this out. So just call the bin file. So it asks for all or sale. So let's go ahead and put in sale. Ooh, all right. I have an issue. Parser split URI must be only pro.com. Let's see what the issue is here. So just checking. Product sale price is not equal to product price. And then we'll put the info and end. But after it outputs that, it should immediately go to what product would you like more info on. Okay. So yeah, it added the list of sales products. So it definitely went to here, put that out. Then I had some issue here. So I printed out the first shirt. Had a problem with a parser. The library 21 split. Be ASCII only. Chosen. So if I go to that product directly, it said chosen. Let's see. This one here. Okay, it has the flowers part of the web page. Let me see how this one is listed. Ah, okay. Because it has that as part of the web page, it won't let it. It won't add that one. Okay. I wonder if that's the only one like that. Because these also have that in the name. But I guess the page doesn't include that. Because this says women's crop top 1. It doesn't actually have a separate. So I guess I have to see where that page name is coming from. Because the other products are listed the same type of way. But it is interesting that it has the rows as part of the tag here. Interesting. So, and this is my actual store, by the way. So I'm actually going to go into this product and see how it's listed out. So that's the title of it. So maybe it pulls the page from the title name. So let me check the other. Oh, I don't think so, because the other one didn't have. It had the emoji, but as part of the name. So like this one has an emoji in the name. So it has that emoji as part of the name, but if I view it, it doesn't have the emoji as part of the name of the shirt. It's interesting. So I guess I don't know where the product page, the actual name of the product page, I guess I don't know where that comes from. Because it definitely has this as part of the name of it. So let me see if I can go back and make a change to it. URL handle. So I'm gonna have to check how this works. I cut this out and save it for now. If I go back into here, rerun Ruby, bin file. I do all products. I'll go ahead and list them all. I'm going to go to that specific product, the chosen tag, which is number 16. And it looked like it worked that time. So now if I go into sale, let's see if we get another error. So, okay, we do get another error. Okay, and this time it's another product that has the same thing, but this one is I guess the bikini one. So it looks like I'm going to have to go through each one and redirect the web page. That way, it doesn't have it doesn't have the actual emoji as part of the web page. So I don't know how else I'm going to do that without going through the individual pages and the individual products, that is. So if I go back, well, if I go back to this home page, refresh this, that should be gone, and it is. I believe this bikini, oops, this was the next one that had that issue, which it is. So you're going to see me editing a few products. But once I edit all of these, we should be good to go. So if I delete that, we have our next one. All right. This one also has emoji. Yep. This one too. So yeah, I didn't even realize I would have to do this. So, but figured it out. All right. Let's see. This has a lot of dogs in it. It might be. Nope. That one does not have an issue. So hopefully all of these are the same way. And this one did not have an issue earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead. Well, let me check this one. Nope. So I'm going to go ahead and rerun it, see if we have another issue, and then just call, let's figure out which one has the issue. So I'm going to put in sale, let it run. Now it's checking all 50 shirts or all 50 products to determine if there's a sale or not. And it's taking a little while. So I guess we're about to find out in a second. Hey, it worked that time. So I got rid of all the pages that weren't ASCII and converted them back. And now it gave us the products. And so now number 1 is the Usman t-shirt. Number 50 is the Possum backpack. So if I go ahead and put in 50, I get the information for the backpack. So Possum backpack, you got your regular price and your sales price, and your description for the backpack. So now, if I want to say I want to see more products, I can do the same thing, or I can just go to all which has all of the products listed. Then from here, we'll just go to the Usman t-shirt. We have our Usman t-shirt description, the regular price and sales price, then the full description of the shirt, has all the additional information. The shirt had a lot more information. So let's just go to another regular shirt. So we'll go to all. Let's say my heart is always in Atlanta. So let's say 47. All right. And then you can see, because this one's not on sale, the regular price is $19.95 and the sale price is $19.95. So they're the same thing. So I guess another option I could do is for any of them that are not on sale, I could take out the sales price. But I don't know. I don't know if it really matters if that's included or not. So, but yeah. So now again, it pulls all the information, it scrapes it all from EnterAction Apparel's EnterActionApparel.com on their homepage, all the featured products on the homepage. It automatically lists them and numbers them. Then you just put in a number to determine which one you want, and you take a look at the shirts. I'm gonna take a look at the different items. So like 24 possum. It gives us all the information about that specific shirt. And like I said again, price is the same. It has a description. And I'm actually kind of surprised the emoji is working here. This is actually pretty cool. I guess it just doesn't work as part of the URI. It can't have an emoji as part of that description, as part of the actual URL. So, but this is pretty cool. And if I say no, then it exits, and it says be sure to check back in later for more amazing products and sales. So, of course, it's set up, meta program. So, anytime that more products are added or products are taken away, it'll automatically pull it the way it needs to, regardless of how many products are there. All right. Okay, that was fun. So, thank you. And this, of course, is Benjamin Jones, online full stack web development student. I'm enjoying Flatiron School. And this was really fun as my first project, being able to actually pull something relevant. And again, EnterActionApparel.com, the EnterAction Apparel LLC is my actual company. So myself and my cousin started it. So it was a great opportunity to actually test something with something that's very relevant to me. And the fact that this works, I'm starting to see a lot more potential. Like when I first got into the class, it's been a lot of specific Ruby programming, but now we're getting into pulling real information, off of web pages and things like that. So this is really exciting, and I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad I'm doing it. Alrighty. Thank you.